Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to hide your distance on Grindr. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up on Grindr application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Grindr application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for security and privacy, you'll be able to find the option for privacy settings. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the privacy settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings related to your privacy over here. At second, you'll be able to find the option for show my distance. If this is toggled on, Grindr will show the approximate distance between you and prospective matches for an easier understanding of proximity. If you want to hide your distance, simply toggle off this button right next to the option Show My Distance. Now after you do that, you can see over here Show My Distance will be toggled off. So like this, you'll be able to hide your distance. So that is how you hide your distance on Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.